eerie. Because when it won't, there's surveillance systems. Why is everything do this stuff? Alright. You ever wish you could just walk into your room and turn your lights on by just clapping? Yeah. Let's just say one night you walk into your room. It's 12 p.m. You're tired. You clap to turn your lights on. And all of a sudden, you hear another hand that claps. Confused, you clap again. And the rest is history. Today, we're going to be playing a game based off just that. Clap Clap is a short indie horror game that puts you in the shoes of a house sitter experiencing strange occurrences in a seemingly ordinary home. Yo, what's up YouTube? Today, we're playing a game called Clap Clap. Let's get straight into it. Got this. October 8th, 1984. I saw an ad in the newspaper about a house sitting job. Since I was short on cash, I decided to sign up. Valid. I mean, who wouldn't? Gotta get that pape somehow, feel me? Quite the eerie neighborhood, huh? Find Maxim's house. Maxim is a crazy name. Alright. This is eerie. It feels so, like, blurry and strange. Alright, let's talk to this guy.
Excuse me.
Oh, wait, this is me. Hold on. Excuse me. I'm trying to find a house on the street. Could you help me out?
Sure. Which house you looking for, man?
I'm looking for Maxim's place. He hired me to look after while he was away.
Maxim, huh? That's interesting. He usually asks me to watch his place. Hey, I'm Marco Botsby, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Marco. Could you tell me where his house is?
Of course. It's 2 houses down. Mine's right here. Our neighbor, Savo in the middle, and then Mavo in the middle, and then Maxim's place. You can't miss it.
Thanks, Marco. I appreciate it.
No problem. Now, if you'll excuse me, I just got my home automation system in the mail, and I'm really excited.
Oh, that sounds interesting. What does it do?
Well, it's supposed to make life a whole lot easier, you know? Controlling the lights, temperature, and even the security system. Pretty cool stuff, man.
Wow, that does sound very convenient. Why did you decide to get it?
Well, partly because of the recent disappearances happening around here. It's been pretty strange. But mainly because our neighbor Savo got one and won't stop raving about it. Raving. He left for vacation right after installing it. Said it has built-in surveillance systems and all. Guess he wanted to keep an eye on things while he's away. Well, I hope you enjoy setting it up. Thanks again for the directions, Marco. No problem. If you need anything, I'm just a house away.
Alright, so seems like they got a nice little security system going on. Sounds pretty valid. That's kind of how the technology is going on now anyway. So we just look at this. What's in here? Oh, clap. Dumpster diver. Interesting. Okay. Clap certified smart house surveillance. So I'm guessing that's what the surveillance system is called. Clap. This must be it. Okay, now we're entering the house. Let's see what we got going on here. I think the homeowner mentioned the keys would be in the back room. Alright, let's rotate around here. This is an eerie game. There's a little music in the back. Ooh, kind of tough. I think they said they put it in the flower pots. Alright, let's see. It's okay right here. I can't do something right here. Key? Ah, there they go. Let's see if these work. Alright, whoa. I thought the music just stopped. What the hell? Alright. Let me just act like I ain't noticed that. This neighborhood is like... Let's talk about this neighborhood real quick before we continue. Let's see, they got this clap surveillance system being distributed everywhere. So this is obviously like a new thing that's just becoming. And then we're just in this circle block. Like this is not... I don't know. I don't know if I could live in one of these places, bruh. It's too secluded, I want to say. Okay. It's pitch black in here, yo. What the hell? Whoa, that's a welcoming? They did say it was a smart house. How to be a mysterious killer. Why would he have something like this? Let's zoom in on this. Let's see. We could throw it. Interesting. Just mess up this house real quick. What's this? Clap Clap Home Automation Systems. Clappertown, CA. Why is everything with the word clap? What's going on? Like, turning your house into a smart house. Order 45,000. So this is basically just his receipt for buying the Clap Clap system. So we kind of already got that. Got that in our reps. Okay, looks like he kind of just left everything. We didn't even clean up before we left. But that's obviously the backyard we got going on. Ooh, some Fruit Loops. Look, fire. That's probably soggy by now, dude. Let's see what we got. Okay, nothing in the freezer. Just random sets of meat and a beer. This dude is a little strange, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Alright. Hey, thanks for house sitting. Please make sure to check the mailbox, water the plants, throw out the trash. P.S. Press Q to toggle. Okay, this is basically okay. So I can press Q. And well, I guess this will be clapping. So let's see. Okay. Alright, time to get acquainted with this place. I should take a quick tour. Check all the rooms. Let's get ourselves acquainted with this house real quick so we know what's going on. Okay, let's clap. See what's going on here. Alright, nice little bathroom slash little. What's this? Alright, fill it out. So just a little bathroom slash little wash area. Okay, I like that. Let's shut this back. Alright, let's open this. Clap. What's that? Okay, this is the garage. So where does this door lead to? Oh, okay, so he has 2 doors to the backyard. Alright, that's cool. Alright. Let's leave that garage alone. This little music they got going on. Okay, we got 3 more rooms to explore. Okay, I'm guessing this is his little bedroom or something. That's him and his friend. This is a little interesting picture. Let's throw this over here. The door. Oh, okay, it's a pull-in. Why is this one a pull-in, but everything else is a... Okay. Alright. Let's see. Got the rubber ducky going on. Maybe this could help us out in the future. We're going to take this with us. Alright. Wait, used. Oh, okay. So here's his upstairs bathroom. This is actual bathroom and stuff like that. So up here. How am I clapping if I have the duck in my hand? Okay, so this is a study room. Pretty normal house. Oh, what does this look like? Alright, we're gonna do this to lose. 1 second. 300 jump scare ideas. This dude is a little strange. I gotta grab that mail. What does this say? Horror 101. This dude is really into his indie horror stuff. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Alright, we're gonna keep this ducky on us. Can I not open the door? Okay, let's open the door. Can I not open it with the duck? Let's move the duck out the way. Open the door, and then we're gonna wait. Alright, we're gonna stand. There we go. Grab the ducky. Alright, we're gonna leave. Do not enter. Do not enter in your own house. Alright. Let's go check the mailbox. Alright, this duck is a little annoying, but we're gonna leave that alone. We'll leave that alone. Everything's pretty normal. Just go check the mailbox. I wish I would have known this before I didn't have to come back outside. How about I open this? Alright. Everything seems pretty chill now, okay? Pretty solid. You know what I'm saying? Nice and calming. Just have a good night. Missing. Please help. Kim Call Zexon. 25. Last seen September 23rd. 1984 on cell phone wearing a black sweater and a black hat. He was doing house sitting services. Okay. Missing house sitter, huh? That is a little strange. Sounds like the beginning of a mystery novel. I wonder what happened. Can I go back in the house now? Yeah. Let's go show the plants what's up. Grab the water can from the garage. Okay. We know the garage. Wait. We know the garage is here. Let's just grab this. For a second, I was like, what the hell was that? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take this, drop this down, open that, grab this. Alright, go ahead and water our plants, man. We gotta get this paper, man. How do we do this? Can I, like, rotate it? I just, like, how much water do these plants need? This thing isn't working. You gotta get the perfect angle. Grab it. Right. Just move this around. Alright, perfect. There we go. Wait, oh, there's more plug. Okay. Oh, okay, I see the meter. See, I didn't see that meter at first. I did not see the meter at first. Just water these plants, man. They got everything they need. Alright. Water these plants. I wonder how much we're getting paid for this. I don't think they told us. It's a little scary house, man. I don't know. I should be getting paid at least $100-something, man. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's probably just getting to me. Nah. It's just nighttime. You know, it's late. I'm probably just here. The water plants. Alright, I'm with this. Maybe go back in the crib. Chill. It don't look like there was a TV in there. Oh, actually, there was. You could probably watch, like, watch some anime. Probably watch some Jujutsu Kaisen or something. Heard that new season coming. Grab the trash from the kitchen. Alright. Shut this. Make sure ain't nobody coming in our crib. Alright. Okay, the bag's heavier than you expected. Oh, what's that? What's the bone sticking out? Yeah, them detective novels kind of getting to me, bruh. I gotta chill. Oh! Woo! Yo! I can't let him know I'm a bitch. I can't let him know I'm a bitch. I can't let him know. Who are you, bro? I'm Agent Rosalino, Federal Investigation Bureau. I need to ask you a few questions. Sure. What's this about? There have been reports of disturbances in this area. Disappearances. Strange phenomena. We're conducting an investigation. Yeah, I've heard. Everything's fine here. I'm just taking out the trash. Are you sure? We have reason to believe there's more to this neighborhood than really meets the eye. Yeah, 100%. I'm just taking out the trash, bro. Alright, but keep your eyes and ears open. We need to get to the bottom of this. Of course, we'll do. Thanks, Inspector. No problem. Stay safe out there, man. Bro, don't ever run up with me like that again, bro. Like, I really... What's up? What's up, bro? What's up? You know what? Actually, let me get the bag of trash. Hold on. Watch. I'm about to smack you with this. Come here. I should go get my whopper ducky from upstairs. You know what? Come here. Where you going? Think you're slick? How you get to my house so fast? Why you slide on me like that? Where's your car? I have so many questions. Oh. I just clapped him. Yo. Why is he balled up like that, chat? Oh, I gotta stop playing, bro. This is one bro's house. Alright. Okay. Nothing happened. You see this? I'ma just throw this in this trash. Just, nothing here. I ain't do none of that. I don't even know what happened. Just going. You know, I make it obvious. Just walk. Just taking out the trash. Alright. Close that.
Alright, let's go eat, man. Let's go eat. I'm hungry. Feeling a little famished after, you know, all that walking around and talking. What the hell was that? Yo. What was that? Who in my crib? Yo. I was trying to get some food. I'm bringing the meat with me. What? He took all my food. Come on, bro. That's the most important part. Alright, bro. You know what? Get this piece of paper and give you a paper cut. Now I'm bringing a book with me. I need some type of weapon. Nah, them chips ain't gonna work. But you know what? I can crack them with this glass. Alright. Let's get ready. Yeah. Wait. The do not enter thing came off. What's in here? Straight. No fear, bro. No fear. Come on. No fear. We in here. I'm babysitting this, bro. You're not f***ing up my pate, bro. You're not messing up my pate, bro. I gotta get paid, bro. This is my only way out, bro. We're straight. Everything's good. I just must be tired, bro. I need some rest. What's up? I should grab something to eat and just chill, bro. I'm over exaggerating, bro. This is getting to me, bro. It's been a long night. Man. Take this bottle with me back downstairs. Maybe I've been drinking too much Coca-Cola, man. It's getting to me. Alright, let's just place this up here. How to drink that? Where the food at? There ain't no food. I'll take the cereal. Alright, come on. Just go upstairs, man. Nothing crazy, nothing scary about this, man. Nothing. It's all good in the hood. Alright, so the bedroom is this one, right? Yeah, perfect. Alright, let's set these. Okay, I ain't never seen nobody set the cereal on the bed. That's a new one, but here, can I make space for it? Just, okay. It's a weird way of laying down. Let's watch some tunes, bruh. What we got going on here? What's this? Oh. What am I watching? A little scary movie? Some medieval time looking scary movie. My cereal's been out for the longest, bro. That's stale. Yo, how long was I out for? I ain't even checked the time. It's 2:43 in the morning. What's that? I don't know who the fuck that was, but that nigga was taller than my door. I ain't turned the lights off. The door got kicked down. Somebody was living in here? Yo, this clap security system ain't it, bro. What's this? There's blood everywhere. Alright, I gotta go back out there. I'm bringing the rubber ducky with me. Wait, can I take the scissors? Alright, come on, rubber ducky. We're gonna do this together, twin. Oh! Yo. Who the fuck was that? Yo, what are you doing? Rubber ducky. No, I wanted the bigger one. I dropped the other one. Maybe this one. What's going on? Oh! Run! Oh my god. Go. Rubber ducky, I'm sorry. Oh! No! I can't take the lights, brother. Let me out the building! Bro, I can't leave. Oh, I broke through the glass. Oh! Yo, I'm out. Can I use this protection? Yo. What the fuck just happened, yo? Bro, I gotta get the fuck up out of here, bro. This ain't it, bro. Where's my man's, I forgot his name. Gerald. Where's Gerald, bro? No, Gerald got clapped. No. Gerald. There's more than one. This whole neighborhood is gonna get clapped up by clap clap. It's over. They're gonna get clapped. No, they already got clapped. It's over, bro. I kept running until I reached the nearest police station. While investigating, the authorities found Marco's lifeless body in his house. Meanwhile, Maxim's remains were found stuffed in the trash bag outside his house. Bro, I knew there was something crazy about that. Their neighbor Savo has disappeared under similar circumstances. His remains have yet to be found. Despite the eerie scratches on the walls and my harrowing account, no trace of the creature is ever discovered. What even was that, bro? It looked like, I don't even know. The case remains unsolved, leaving an unsettling mystery behind. He looked like a Nomu, but like black instead of blue, bro. I don't even know how to. Thank you for playing my first ever indie horror game. I hope you enjoyed playing as much as I enjoyed making it. You know what? I will be releasing more horror games in the Nightmare Fowl series. Alright, I'm down to tune into these games. Honestly, they look pretty valid. You can stay up to date on my YouTube channel, Ray Castle Games, or Twitter, Ray Castler. Alright, definitely stay tuned. Thanks, Maxim. Isn't Maxim dead, though? Interesting. Interesting. That was clap clap. That was clap clap. Hey, hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. This is my first ever horror game on the channel. You know what I'm saying? Guys, we're trying to be in tune with some good content. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you are feeling the content. And I'm going to be posting some more soon. See y'all.